Puso ko yung naghihab.
Morning again mga ka-journey. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna share with you again one apps that are very useful here in Hong Kong. So this is also connected with our one Hong Kong virtual bank, which is the Livi bank. So this is connected with our Livi bank. So the apps that I'm gonna introduce to you today is this one. So the iyung. So this is the iyung. So this is a separated apps, but they are connected with the Livi bank. So I'm gonna show you the iyung apps. Okay, so we go to the Play Store. So here it goes. You're just gonna search the iyung. So it looks like this. So as you can see, there are already 1 million downloads. So about this app, so more rewards for iyung. You bring together all your favorite Hong Kong brands in a single mobile app. So you'll earn 1 iyung points for every 1 Hong Kong dollars you spend on your everyday shopping and dining at our great selections of partners, either through the apps or in the stores and restaurants. So partners sila ng mga merchants ng Welcome, Manning, 7-Eleven, IKEA, KFC, Pizza Hut, Marketplace, etc. etc. So you can also accelerate your earnings with the Hang Seng Enjoy card. Earn 3 times point when you spend with the iyung shopping partners and 4 times points with our iyung dining partners. And also you can redeem your points for a constantly changing range of cash and products rewards all at your fingertips in the apps. So as you can see, so iyung is some rewards app or cashbacks. Every time you this one you spend Hong Kong dollars, you can earn 1 points. So they have a lot of merchants partners. So if you were gonna install, you just gonna install this. Ayan, so let's see. So wait a moment, install ko lang siya. So yan na siya guys, no, pag na-download mo na siya, so ayan, yung $1 equals 1 points. So, ayan, may 2,000. Ano to? I-check siya. So, let's see the English. So, English tayo. So, ayan, pagka-umpisa pa lang, syempre, magre-registered ka muna. And then, you can put your my invitation code there. So, let's see yung register nila, no? Pagka wala ka pang account, syempre registered. Pero kung may account ka na, syempre login. Okay, and then you can put my invitation code here para sa dagdag points. So, yung ating invitation code ay nandyan po sa ibaba. And then, so, yan lang, i-fill up nyo lang yung mga info nyo dito. And then, just click next. So, sabihin natin, let's see. Okay. June. Something. 1983. Then, click next lang. Okay. So, na-registered na daw ito. Let's see. So, yan lang. Mag-create lang ng password. Ayan. Kailangan may 8 characters. At least 1 uppercase. So, nilagay mo na yung password mo. Next lang. Ayan. So, may secret code din. Nilagay na yung secret code. In-next natin ulit. So, yun, no, number lang, name, and then so, ayan. Tapos magsisend na sila sa iyo ng OTP sa iyong number. So, ayan, hindi ko na siya i-diretso kasi may isa na akong account. So, I'm just gonna show you kung ano yung itsura niya kapag naka-login ka na. So, ito na yung itsura niya kapag naka-login na kayo sa inyong iyung. So, yan. So, makikita nyo yung point balance. Ito yung point balance. And then, ito yung cash value niya, no? Kasi nga, when you shop dun sa mga merchants nila, like 7-Eleven, yan, Aromi, yan, welcome, and marami pang iba. So, magkakaroon ka ng points, and then, yun nga, pwede siyang converted into cash, Hong Kong dollars cash. So, marami sila dito mga offers, ayan. So, makikita nyo, ayan, may mga, ayan, pwede kayong mag-redeem, pwede nyo i-redeem ng products, yung inyong points, and then when you buy, so meron silang mga different, kung ilang points yung marireceive mo, parang ito, 6 time points when you buy any selected slice cake, so yan, so welcome. So, yan, madami siya. So, when you buy or when you shop at any merchant, so, show nyo lang itong may ID. So, nandito yung QR code. So, press nyo lang yan. And then, so, ito na yung QR code nyo. Ipipresent nyo lang to sa cashier. So, para pumasok yung inyong points. And then, so, dito tayo sa kanilang, dito sa save. Wala pala, ayan. Wala pala akong may coupons. So, itong, yun nga yung mga points nyo. So, pwede nyo siyang i-convert into ayan, cash voucher. So, pwedeng IKEA, pwedeng KFC, pwede sa Mannings, pwede Maxims, ayan, PhD, Pizza Hut, 7-Eleven, welcome. Ayan, marami pang iba. So, halimbawa, gusto mo siyang i-redeem na ng cash. Diba, itong KFC voucher. So, ayan, meron silang different amounts. So, 1,000 points is equals to 5 Hong Kong dollars. 4,000 points, 20 Hong Kong dollars. 2,000 is 10 Hong Kong dollars. So, how to redeem? Yan nga, pipresent mo lang yung redemption QR code at cashier to use the cash voucher. So, halimbawa, gusto mo siyang i-redeem ng halimbawa, ito yung 20. So, ayan, pwede ka dahil may 8,000 points ako, pwede ako makaredeem ng 2. Okay. So, yun lang guys. So, very useful talaga itong iyung kasi nga, yun nga, every time na nagsha-shop ako sa welcome or ayan, nagda-dine ka sa KFC, Pizza Hut, so you can earn cashback or points na pwede mo siyang i-convert into Hong Kong dollars voucher or cash. Okay? Cash vouchers. So, yun lang guys. Let's proceed muna sa ating best comment on our last video. So, ayan. Congratulations sa ating best comment. Inday Fe. Ayan. Ayan. Yung kanyang mga partners. Ayan, so ito yung kanilang mga partners guys. So ayan yung Livi Bank guys. Ayan, so partner talaga sila ng Livi Bank. So ayan, you can see ang dami nilang partners ng mga store, merchants, restaurant. So explore nyo lang sa guys, and yun, sana gamitin nyo rin itong iyung apps. And don't forget to put my invitation code and yung Livi Bank natin. So, okay pa rin yung kanilang ongoing pa rin yung kanilang 200 Hong Kong dollars bonus for every new users. So, yun lang guys. Thank you again for watching. Please like and share and comment na sa video ito. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel and bell all na rin para ma-notify ka every time na may bago tayong video. Goodbye guys, this is Melba again, saying that sharing is caring with blessings. Bye guys!